Good day, everyone. You're welcome to Gen COC/Air Pre-Order Bulk Group. Here in this group, we buy together, we ship together, we weigh bill together, and which make us get these things at a very mouth-watering price. So you're welcome. Just sit tight and enjoy the amazing offers. We'll be starting our posting for December batch, for December air shipping batch. But I want to say something. I want to just post only clothing, underwears, maybe glasses, and things that are not too heavy, like bags. So I won't be posting shoes because I discovered shoes are heavy. So because we're using air, air is more expensive than sea. So we'll be posting this little item so that when it comes, our shipping fee will be minimal. You understand me? So if you're in Port Harcourt, then this is an added advantage for you. You won't be paying way big fee. You'll just be paying, your delivery fee. You'll be using dispatch rider, or you can come over and pick up. I'm in Port Harcourt. I'm based in Port Harcourt. So I love opening my group, but I locked it up recently because of some people, when you open your group, you see them start writing different things. Some people start dropping links. But when I discovered that everybody in that group are for business, I will start leaving my group open. Yeah, so that we can be discussing and all that. So the last badge for air shipping just came in. Then the last badge for sea shipping just came in too. So we've been trying to clear our shipping fee. So clear it up. So when it arrives Port Harcourt, I'll do an unboxing video. Then I'll also send it to the group. So just calm down. You are in the right group. This group is 100% legit. Yes, you heard me right. 100% legit. No scam zone. Once you pay, we'll order, we'll ship together, then we'll share our bills. We also have different locations in the group. We have different states. So we also do bill pairing. So in case you have 2 or 3 people from the same states, we can also, share the bill fee. So for example, if bill is 5,000 naira and we have 2 people from the same location, then the one person will be paying 2,500, the other person will be paying 2,500 to make the bill fee very affordable. If you're up to 5, so 1,000 times 5, we'll be paying 1,000 each to make the bill fee also very affordable. So you're welcome to Gen CO pre-order group. I'll be posting the air item for December tomorrow. So the sea shipping too will be coming up. Our next sea shipping batch will be coming up on the 5th of December. So I'll be posting. So in the sea shipping, that's where we'll be posting heavy items like blender, like kitchen utensils, like shoes. And I have a good news for you. Now I've gotten another manufacturer for shoes. We'll be getting our sneakers, our shoes at a very affordable price. But the only issue now is we will try to meet up with MOQ. We did something like this the last time, but we didn't meet up with the MOQ. That was why that deal, we didn't get up with the deal. So please, now the group is, we have more wholesalers in the group right now. So I'll be posting that for sea shipping. So just get ready for our sea shipping next batch, because we'll be getting sneakers, shoes at a very mouth-watering price, because we'll be getting sneakers as low as 1,500. You heard me right. So get set and get ready for the next sea shipping batch. So if you are in this group and you are a wholesaler, you sell, I will advise you to use the sea shipping, badge that is coming up, because for your Easter. Yes, so I want to start it up this December. Once I start it this December, by God's grace, we'll start it up December and we'll close the payment very fast, so that January, February, March, our items will land Nigeria March. So once it lands Nigeria March, you start selling for Easter sales. And please and please and please, I would like us to start on time. So I don't want it to land, somewhere closer to April and all that, because you know how shipping companies behave. Once it's festive period, they start increasing their shipping fees. So let us do that on time so we can beat that high shipping fee rate. Thank you so much for for trusting in me. My other cause I started this group not less than, yes, we are not up to 6 months. This group is not up to 6 months, but God, people in this group are so amazing. They are so amazing that my first sea shipping, oh my God, people turn up so well, even without knowing me, even without seeing me. They did it, and they've all picked up their items. And the other sea shipping group item was, we will be clearing the shipping fee tomorrow, and it will land here, and we'll also do unboxing, so you see the item. So we are legit. Calm down. If you want to buy in bulk, feel free. You can buy at as high as millions, no problem. You are safe. Your money is safe. We will deliver everything you've bought. So calm down. So yes, thank you those that so many people celebrated me. I dropped my message here that I gave birth successfully, and people were just sending me so many gifts, so many congratulations wishes. I appreciate you all. You guys are the best. Yes, during that period I was pregnant, but now I just put to bed and we are fine. I am a baby. We're fine. We thank God. So thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thanks for the encouragement. You guys are the best. Thank you. Even without knowing me, without seeing me, people are just trusting me with their money, and I thank you. Thanks for the trust and for the patronage. It's been massive. Thank you so much. So just sit tight and get ready for the posting of the next batch, air shipping, and the posting of the next batch, sea shipping. Once again, you're welcome to Geneseo pre-order bulk group. I'm based in Port Harcourt. I'm also a YouTuber, so you can go to YouTube and search Geneseo. Please do well to follow me, subscribe, like my videos, and watch, and also encourage me. Thank you so much. And I want to drop something. This is the last thing I'll be saying. Please, you will be getting December. You'll be getting this December, package. Yes, now I arranged December package for my people. So if you've bought anything from me, even 500 naira, you will get a December package. Yes, you get a December package. So get ready. Even if you bought anything, even if 500 naira, you will get December package. Yes. So what we have for category. So December will be sharing a December package to our customers. So you'll be getting your packages. If you've bought from 200,000 upward, there's a package for you, special for you. Then if you've bought from 100,000 upward, there's a package for you. If you've bought from 50,000 upward, there's a package for you. If you bought from 10,000 upward, there's a package. If you've bought for 500 naira upward, there's a package for you. Yes, you heard me right. Even if you bought 100 naira package, there is also a package for you. Everybody that has bought and patronized this group will be getting a December massive package. So it's like a surprise. I won't tell you what the package is, but the package is massive. So you'll be seeing it in your items one after the other this December. Thank you so much for your trust. Geneseo loves you. Thank you for your trust. Thanks for your patronage. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Okay, guys, sit tight and wait for the next posting. And if you love anyone, just hit my DM and we'll start. Thank you. Have a lovely day.